Morning everyone, it is May 1st. Last night got home from work at about 12:15. It's now about 4:40, so we're running on about 3.5 hours of sleep, but we're excited to be going to the turkey woods again this morning. We've been covered up in them, just haven't been able to put it all together, so we're hoping this morning's the morning, so hang tight and we'll see you in the turkey woods. Well, it's 7:22 and we haven't heard a turkey gobble. So we're just sitting here, hoping that one may fire up. I'm sleepy. Oh. They're both. Yeah. We were about to head to the place where we called up that gobbler yesterday. Got to the driveway and 2 gobblers were out in the driveway strutting with a couple hens. So they're moving down towards where we saw them the other afternoon. So we're headed that way to see if we can't cut them off. There. Well, we got over here to them and they're just out there in no man's land, strutting away with their hens, no way to get to them, so we're just sitting over here watching them. So it is now May 1st at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This morning we got on those 2 birds. They were henned up still, and they just kind of eased off down into the woods a little bit, so I'll probably be back on them tomorrow morning. This afternoon I was just doing a little scouting and walked down this road and there were some gobbler tracks. Just having to peek around the corner and there was a gobbler in the field about 80 yards from where I was, so he just kind of eased off into the woods and I came back here, put on my camouflage. Yeah, I think I'm going to circle back around, get down below him where he went in, maybe do a little bit of calling and see if we can get him back out into the field and hopefully put a move on him. He didn't know what I was just in my regular clothes, so hopefully we'll be able to get on him this afternoon. Well, we just circled around to our afternoon spot. It just got set up. We're about 150 yards from where I saw the gobbler not too long ago, probably around 3:30. It's now 4:45, so we're just gonna hang out here, see if he makes his way back out into this field. Good morning. It is May 2nd. Yesterday afternoon, that turkey never came back out. Pulled out of there and drove by where those gobblers were using yesterday morning, and they were back in the same spot. So this morning we're just gonna head over there and we're just gonna sit up. It's pretty foggy this morning, so I'm not sure if they'll gobble too much. They didn't yesterday morning either. So like I said, we're just gonna go in there and sit and wait for them. They've been using this area fairly often, so I think we got a pretty good shot. So fingers crossed we have some good luck, so stay tuned. So we just got set up here on the edge of this field. These turkeys have been coming from these hollers behind me, making their way up to their strutting zone right over here to my right. So we're just hopeful that they continue the same path and they come right through here. So we've made a little blind. Hopefully we'll have some good luck this morning. Birds haven't shown up yet. I figured they would have been here by now. But there's a turkey goblin that we got on last week. He's fired up. So since he's so fired up, we're gonna abandon this plan and go see if we can't get on him, because he is rolling right now. Fingers crossed we have some good luck. Hang tight. He's on fire right now. Hoping we can get up here to him before he shuts up. I saw him the first time about 100 yards, walking in the woods. Got up there and gobbled a couple times to me. Next time I seen him, he was moving down, crossed and kind of went up behind me. He just gobbled and he's just over this ridge. So I'm trying to make up a plan of what's the best idea to get back on him. I think I might need to just move right back down in there where he crossed before, because I'm sure he's going to go back. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Well, I decided to circle back around that gobbler, try to get on top of him. Got up on the top of this hill and didn't see anything, so I looked behind me down in this field, and I could see a turkey out in it, and it turned out to be a gobbler. It's actually the two that we were trying to be on at daylight this morning. So I called to them a little bit, and I was out in the middle of this fire break, and another tom came out around the corner of this field closer to me. So I was kind of stuck, and they made their way back into the woods a little bit. They just hammered down there. So I'm sure they're just in between these two fields. Just gonna wait it out a little bit and see what happens. So all these gobblers circled back to the field that we saw them in yesterday. So we're gonna head that way. We gotta make a kind of a long bypass. So hopefully we'll be able to get over there on them and find out where they're at. So we're sitting in the truck looking for these turkeys, see if they come out. And I looked to my left and they weren't in the regular spot. They were only about 100, 125 yards from where we were sitting. And so I back down the hill a little bit, and I circled around to try to get in some hardwoods and cut them off. And these turkeys just like messing with me. They turned and they went and crossed the driveway at about 20 yards in front of my truck. So they're still out here. They're in the middle of a field and hard to hunt. So field birds are hard to hunt, but I'm gonna peek up over this hill and see where they're at.